In this video, I'm going to show you how to set price alerts for Bitcoin on the Venmo app. So the first thing we want to do is go to the crypto tab on the bottom of the screen. This is going to give us an overview of our crypto balance. You can see that I own some Bitcoin, so I'm just going to tap on Bitcoin. Bitcoin current price $36,432, up about 3% today. So looking really good lately. And right below this chart, right below the timeline, you can see a toggle that says price alerts. So we can toggle this on and it's going to give us two options. Basically, you can get notified whenever it changes 5% or notified whenever it changes 10%. So I'll just select 10% for now because I want less notifications. You can always tap this toggle again and turn those off. Now whenever Bitcoin goes up or down 10%, it'll send me a notification on my phone. But yeah, there you have it. That's how to turn on price alerts for Bitcoin on the Venmo app. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.